You're watching Pimp My Noodles, and this is Hangover Pancakes.
That's right.
Boy, that's loud. Okay, this is Pimp My Noodles. We're the only show that encourages you to play with your noodle in front of other people. I don't think that line was right, but you know, it was offensive, so let's keep on going. My name's Aaron, and today we're making a dish called Hangover Pancakes. To make it, you'll need the following three things. Number one, have enough alcohol in your system to have killed a small horse. Number two, you're going to need leftovers from something you picked up at 3 a.m. on your way home. Woof. And number three, you're going to have to be able to, you know, keep down what we're cooking here today. So it's a tall ask. I believe we can do it. Let's get to it. Aside from the terrible hangover, you are actually going to also need the following ingredients. If you don't have a pen, don't worry. Just head over to pimpmynoodles.com. Everything's there. You know, it's got merch, all of our recipes. You know, it's a full-on noodle community. In fact, it's the one-stop noodle pimpin' shop. So let's get started, shall we? First things last, we're going to make our pickle. We're going to need some sugar, put it in a bowl, add this salt here, and we're just going to get a little bit of vinegar as well. Pour that in over the top. Now, we're not going to drink this. This is going to represent our pickle for the dish. So just going to stir it together like that. Make sure all of the solids dissolve. And then just grab our onions, put them in here. And we're going to put it aside at the end of the dish. That's going to be our garnish. Okay, so next it's time to make our noodles. Today, we're cooking with Paldo's Hot and Spicy. If you've got a hangover, these are the noodles for you. Or if you're going to the gym, for example, because they've got a little bit of peptide added to them, which apparently is quite the trend in Korea. Oh, yeah. Hello to all of our Korean viewers and anyone who's going to the gym and wants to look at using some peptides. Do you want the edge? Eat Paldo Hot and Spicy. Now with peptides. Once the water's come to a boil, it's time to add our noodles. In there like that. We really want to get our peptides in the mix because we're going to need all the help we can get. So let's just get these in there as well. That's added peptide goodness that, you know, we all need. If you're a noodle company out there and really wanting to advertise your product, well then look no further than Pimp Your Noodles. My Noodles. Yeah, Pimp My Noodles. And send us $200 million. Okay, so the noodles are done. Drain them and just put a little drizzle of oil over the top to stop them sticking together. Put them aside. Don't worry about what they're doing for the moment. Concentrate on the task at hand. Hang on. It'd be good if I followed my own advice and actually put some oil on the noodles. So while our noodles are over there doing whatever noodles do when they're waiting to be played with, we're going to make the filling for this pancake. Put a pan over a medium heat, grab some oil just to drizzle in, don't have to put too much. But don't put too little in, you know, we are hungover here, we want a little bit of grease. When it's nice and hot, add your sausage. That is the sound we love. When you're not feeling great, when you've had a few too many drinks, this could be either the thing that saves you or the thing that puts you right over the other side. Just a little bit more oil in to add to the goodness. It's really hot in here. Let's turn our sausage over when it looks like this. Fantastic. But sausage by itself would be pretty sad. So why don't we add some cabbage and last night's leftover Korean fried chicken. Bet you didn't see that one coming, did you? Whoa, that is going to be the most individual flavour I think that anyone's ever put together. So why not take it a step further when we add some hot sauce to the mix and really get this bad boy happening. Whoa. When it looks like this, all greasy and wonderful and delicious, let's grab our noodles, put them in as well. Whoa. Okay, so mix it well. Once the mixture looks like this, just grab a bowl and place them inside. I just want you to get a pair of scissors and just simply cut up all the big chunks. And that includes the noodles as well. So just run them through like this, cover it with a tea towel, and let's get on to making these pancakes and getting rid of this god-awful hangover. Okay, so this hangover homage is actually a real dish, well, based on a real dish. It's called an Okonomiyaki pancake. Its origins are in Japan. I believe it means how you like or what you like as far as the ingredients that go inside. I don't believe many Japanese people will like us after our mutated dish that we're making today. You can make these sweet if you want. I wouldn't recommend it, but you know, chicken and waffles with maple syrup, savory sweet does work together. That's up to you. Anyway, grab your flour, just simply put it into your, put it into your blender like that. Add some milk to the mix and a couple of eggs. Don't drink this by itself, by the way. This is actually ingredients for the pancake. This isn't like a rocky drink that you can, you know, down and then run up a set of stairs and cheer about how fantastic you are. That's gonna make you sick. In fact, it's gonna make you vomit right on the spot. Jam up your heat underneath your pan. We don't need any more fat in this dish than we've already got. So why don't we try dry frying these pancakes, just to, you know, because we're concerned about our figures and all. That won't need long, and thank goodness for that. That's like grinding death in my ears right now. Pan's hot. Let's just pour a little bit into the middle. While this pancake's cooking, I'm going to tell you how to find us online. Of course, you're watching us now on YouTube or wherever you're watching us. If you are watching us on YouTube, remember to subscribe, remember to tell your friends. At the socials, we're at Pimp My Noodles Show, or visit our website, pimpmynoodles.com. It's the one-stop noodle pimpin' shop. Look at that pancake, will you? Woo! That's noodle pimpin' goodness. Okay, so once your pancake is cooked on both sides, take it off the heat, put it aside, and we're going to repeat because we're making two pancakes here, not one. Just get your mixture, pour it into the center like this. How do you know if a pancake's done? See those bubbles? That's how you know. Bubbles means done. Woo! Missed my calling. Could have been a pancake flipper. Yes, indeedy. How do you know if it's done on the other side then, if the bubbles are already gone? Well, I can't tell you that. You have a look maybe, like I just did. Okay, so we've cooked everything. It's time to put this hangover pancake together. First of all, we're going to grab our tongs and just put down our instant noodle filling, and that's got, of course, that wonderful sausage and our fried chicken from the night before, some cabbage and some hot sauce. I know, the combination is out there. Be generous with this because this is the thing that's going to save you from the kind of gnawing, terrible hunger that you've got inside. It's going to stop that beating headache in your head. It's going to save your life. Now we're just going to simply get our other pancake, gently put it on top, and now it's time for our sauce. It's time to add the final ingredient, which is our pickled onions. Jam them on top like this, don't have to be too fancy. Now this pickle is going to cut through the fat of the mayonnaise and the fat of the oil and the fat of the chicken and the fat of the sausage and all the other fat we've put in there, and it's going to make it taste all right. They say you need fat and sugar if you're going to get rid of a hangover. And so do I. Then your spring onion, garnish it, and there you have it. We're done. Hangover pancakes, ready to save you from yourself.
Pimp My Noodles.
We're going to get Josh, our official taster, to come in and have a taste. I don't believe he is hungover, so this will actually be the best test of all. Josh.
That is actually bloody delicious.
So there you go. Even when you're hungover, you can make some damn fine food. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Of course, you've been watching Pimp My Noodles. If you're on the socials, remember, we're at Pimp My Noodles Show. If you're watching us on YouTube, remember to subscribe. We love your support, and we can't make this show without you telling all your friends about it. I've been Aaron Harvey. This is Pimp My Noodles. We're the Noodle Pimpin' Show on the Noodle Pimpin' Net. Good night, or good day, or whatever, because I'm as hungover as Okay, so we're not making one pancake, we're making two. So remember, pour it into the center, and for God's sake, just try and make it the same size as the other pancake. God knows if that's the right size, I can't even tell anymore. It's all wonky, it looks like a testicle. That's too big.
You're a pancake maker.
I'm a excellent pancake maker. Ah, you
What were you saying about being an excellent pancake maker?
cut! It's the professionalism that I come back for.
Oi!